Hi everyone! Right now we're here at Hillside Ridge, one of the first residential development ni Ayala inside Southmont. And sa mga hindi nakakaalam, no, Southmont is the new estate na dinedevelop dito ni Ayala sa Silang, Cavite. So meaning it is very near to Tagaytay and also 10 minutes away lang tayo from New Valley, Santa Rosa, Laguna. And what I'm going to show you is our secondary market lot that is available here in Hillside Ridge. And it is perfect for retirement home dahil kung nakikita nyo yung lote sa likod ko guys, yung pagka-slope na yan, yan yung pupuntahan natin later at ipapakita ko sa inyo. Nasabi kong perfect for retirement home dahil bukod sa slope siya guys, napakataas ng elevation dito sa Hillside Ridge and you can feel already the Tagaytay breeze within your home. And the good thing about this property, it is ready to build lot. So if you are someone who will retire next year or in the next few years, this is perfect for you. So tara, puntahan na natin yung exact lot and let me give you a quick tour dito about sa Southmont. Tara! Hi everyone! So for today's video, ang pupuntahan natin is yung ating new listing na nakita nyo naman sa ating intro, no? And it is located in Southmont, newest estate of Ayala here in Metro South. It is located in Silang, Cavite, so it's very near to Tagaytay and also 10 minutes away lang from here sa New Valley, kung saan specifically nasaan tayo at nag-i-start yung itong ating video, no? So dito ko talaga pinili mag-start, unang-una because a lot of my viewers, a lot of you guys are already familiar with New Valley. And ang New Valley guys ay ang pinakamalaking estate development ni Ayala dito sa buong bansa. So a lot of you guys have visited already. Naikot ko na kayo yung ibang videos ko sa loob ng New Valley. And kaya rin ito yung pinili kong starting point is I want you to imagine what is the future of Southmont. A lot of people are saying this Southmont estate will be the next New Valley at hindi malayo guys, no? Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Southmont will develop 12 residential sa loob ng kanilang estate. Ganun karami. And right now, we only have 3 residential project. Una, ALP, which is Lanewood Hills, Verdea, and then Hillside Ridge, which is yung loteng pupuntahan natin. So bakit ko nga ba ito sinishare sa inyo? If you are someone who is looking for a property na gusto nyo for retirement, unahan ko na agad kayo, this is ideal for retirement dahil napakaganda ng elevation nito. Because if you are someone looking for a retirement home na malapit lang sa Tagaytay, malapit sa New Valley, and maganda yung future plans ng estate, you may consider this one because it is ready for occupancy. So if you don't have time, pauwi na kayo next year, pauwi na kayo this year, at gusto nyo na ma-start yung inyong retirement home dito sa Metro South, dito sa bansa natin, no, pwede nyo ito makonsider. Kung mahilig kayo sa Tagaytay, it is 10 minutes away lang. Actually, 10 to 15 minutes away lang. Ganun lang siya kalapit. And since it is very near to Tagaytay, you expect also na maganda yung ating climate dito sa area. So, medyo malamig din kasi mararamdaman mo na din talaga yung Tagaytay breeze dito sa area because Southmont is already part of the Tagaytay mountain reaches. So literal na bundok talaga siya, kaya naman perfect siya pang retirement. And right now we're here in the Santa Rosa exit of Calax. Hindi lang tayo gumamit ng Calax ngayon guys kasi may pinuntahan tayong meeting sa Trava. So kanina dumaan lang tayo doon, nag-Eton exit tayo and then dito ko na naisip i-start from New Valley. So yun yung nasa harapan natin ngayon is the SM Neo Verde. It's a high-end mall of SM Development here in Metro South. So may entry development din sila dito sa area, just like this one, a high-end mall. For sure, nandyan yung mga high-end din na mga brands, no, for sure. And maglalagay din sila dyan ng hotel also. SM Mall, hotels or condo sa gilid. And also, baka dito na rin nila ilagay yung future NU na school. Hindi pa natin sure, pero ang expectation ko, nung una, nung wala pa tong SM Neo Verde, ang iniisip ko, pwede nila lagyan, is yung meron dong bakanting lupa pa sa may Brentville International. Kasi andun din ang Brentville, pasok pa rin sa school zone. Pero, nung itinayo tong SM Neo Verde, bigla ko napaisip, what if dito nila i-connect yung yung future NU nila na school? Hindi pa natin sure, no, pero possible, okay? So dito tayo ngayon sa SM New Verde, binabaybay lang natin, napakagandang mall yan in the future. And it's only 10 minutes away lang dito sa pupuntahan nating village, which is i-share ko sa inyo yung lote natin na available. So dalawang lote to, guys. Actually yung isa is secondary market din, pero na-vlog ko na siya nung una. Ngayon may bago tayong listing, ito yung pinakabago. And mas lower price than the first listing. This one, we are only selling 41,000 pesos only per square meter. And almost 400 square meter na yung lot size. Imagine, magkano na yon sa ibang developers, di ba? Yung ganong lot size, actually, papunta ng 500 square meters. So, bihirang-bihira yung ganun kamura na, ganun kalaking lot size and ganun kamura na price per square meter. So, baybayin lang natin itong Santa Rosa Tagaytay Road. Continue natin yung video kapag nandun na tayo sa entry ng Southmont. So, we're here right now dito sa facade or sa mismong labas ng estate ng Southmont. Ayan, guys. So, may kita nyo dito yung ongoing construction na logo. Actually, I uploaded a video alone for this topic kung saan diniscuss ko yung buong Southmont at yung future na i-develop nila na residential, which is what we call an Alveo 3 kasi third residential siya ni Alveo dito. So, wala pang official name and di pa actually na officially launch yun. So, maganda mapanood nyo yun, guys, kasi in-explain ko dun lahat in a shorter video na kung ano yung magiging expectation nyo dito sa may Southmont area. So, ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon. Binabaybay lang natin yung papasok and continue ko siya kapag nasa bandang gitna na tayo. So, guys, nag-continue na tayo ng video dito sa part na to ng Southmont. Nasa bandang gitna na tayo. For now, buong development na pwede natin daanan. So, ito po ay dito mag-i-start yung sinasabi nila isa sa pinaka malaking sport complex facility is dito matatagpuan sa Southmont, guys. So, itong green barricade na yan, guys, na nakikita nyo sa left side ko, ayan, habang binabaybay natin, diyan siya itatayo. So, very exciting kasi ang daming sports na ma-enjoy ninyo. If this is for retirement, naghahanap ka ng lote na pwedeng tayuan ng retirement home mo, imagine. Nandito lang yung sport complex sa labas ng village ninyo, no? Hindi mo na kailangan lumayo. And, pwede mo ba i-invite yung inyong mga friends and other families para makapag-bond din together. And aside from that, guys, kung mapapansin nyo rin habang binabaybay natin itong road network na ito, papuntang Hillside Ridge, is para tayong nasa gitna ng bundok. Lalo na kanina, guys, kung makita nyo yung papasok, hindi ko lang na-film kasi nga, ang purpose din naman nito is doon lang sa lot alone. Kung gusto nyo mapanood, guys, yung buong development ng Southmont, ilalagay ko sa end ng video na to yung video ko about doon or ilalagay ko dito sa comment section yung link. So, onting discussion lang, nandito na agad tayo sa Hillside Ridge. So, from the name itself, guys, so expect this will be a rolling terrain ang magiging daanan natin dito. And, ayan, nandito na tayo ngayon sa entrance gate. So, yun, guys, nakapasok na tayo. Siyempre, medyo mahigpit lang dito kahit pa halos walang bahay na nakatayo since this is an Alveo project, no? And, kung mapapansin nyo, guys, from entrance, pababa, oh, guys, literal na rolling terrain talaga yung magiging road network nyo dito. And, after ng pababa, paangat naman. Pero guys, dito sa left side ko, yung road na yan, it will lead you to our clubhouse dito sa Hillside Ridge. Imagine, no? Sobrang tarik. Mamaya, papakita ko yun sa inyo. So, punta muna tayo sa mismong lote and continue natin yung video pagbaba ko sa lot. Okay? So guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa exact lot kung saan nasa likod ko yung ating newest listing dito sa ating Metro Santa Rosa area na available almost 400 square meter lot size. Ideally to for retirement house if you are someone abroad or you are here in the Philippines pero you are looking something na property na pwede mo tayuan ng bahay mo in the future pero very near to Tagaytay and also malapit ka lang din sa Nuvali. So this is the exact area na pwede mong makonsider. And also, kung mapapansin ninyo, sobrang bibihira pa lang ng bahay na nakatayo dito. Kung mapapansin ninyo, umikot ako dito sa area kanina, almost 4 houses pa lang ang itinatayo at lahat yon ongoing construction pa lang. So imagine, if you are someone who will retire here in this kind of village, very secured village, and also, isa ka sa mga pioneer na makakapagpatayo ng bahay dito and sobrang peaceful lang din talaga ng area because alam naman natin, if for retirement, diba, what really matters most is yung peaceful yung area. So dito sa Hillside Ridge, I can guarantee that, guys. Kasi ngayon pa lang na-imagine ko na sobrang tahimik. Ang third pa lang to, guys, sa residential na itatayo nila dito. It will be having a very great value in the future, lalo na kapag na-develop na yung Southmont Estate, which is yung dinaanan natin kanina. Onting drive tour lang pero again, nag-upload ako doon ng long video about Southmont alone, no? So kung mapapansin nyo, guys, dito sa lote na to is slope yung type ng lot niya. So literal, guys, from here, actually, dun sa may dulo nung peak nung taas ng lote to, saktong yun yung dulo rin nung poste dun sa kabilang road network naman, no? So kabilang daan dito sa village. So ganun siya kataas. Imagine kung gaano kagandang bahay yung pwede mong itayo dito, and you are facing here in some part of Tagaytay. Kitang-kita yung mountain range. Actually, Calamba, sorry. Kitang-kita dito yung bundok ng Calamba. And it's very near to Tagaytay. Kaya naman ngayon, sobrang lamig na. Ngayon parang naramdaman ko naman lamig-lamig na. Dito, guys, from here sa Muhon, ng lote na to, ayan, guys. Kung makikita nyo, may mga naka-ready ng electricity, water, na i-connect mo na lang kasi nga ready to build na yung lots. From there, up to here. So, guys, ito yung frontage ng mismong bahay. Ayan. So dito nyo pwedeng ilagay yung mismong inyong main door. Papansin nyo, guys, a lot of my buyers, alam ko, na-experience ko na sa tagal ko dito sa industry, no, ayaw nila nung property na medyo tumbok sa daan. So kung mapapansin nyo, itong property na to, I'll be honest with you, guys, ngayon pa lang, medyo tumbok yung yung lot niya, guys. Pero dito kasi sa Alveo, yung lot natin, pwede mong i-build. Wala kang restriction na, dapat dito yung pinto mo at dito lang yung parking mo. So, no, dito, sa Alveo, Alveo Development, as long as susundin mo lang yung easements and yung frontage, pwede mong itayo yung house mo. Meaning, if this lot, is facing this road, may kita nyo, sasabihin nila, tumbok, or nasa isip nyo, tumbok to, Carl, medyo hindi ko gusto. Guys, pwede nyo itayo dito yung inyong main door. Yan. So, pag nandito na inyong main door, I just want to see the view. Katapat ka na sa another block dito sa tapat mo. So, hindi ka na nakaharap sa daan. So, that's the, alam ko magiging objection yan ng karamihan sa atin. But, iba namang viewers ko, iba namang clients ko, they don't really matter kung nakaharap sa yan, kung number 8 ba yan. Again, dito nga sa Alveo, pwede kang mag-decide kung saan mo ilalagay yung inyong main door. So, dito, possible, dito mo na lang ilagay yung inyong parking, no? So, dito siya nakatapat. Pero kung hindi naman yun mahalaga sa inyo, then you may consider this lot, okay? So, ito yung lot niya, guys. It's a slope. Kung makapansin nyo, it's block 25, lot 9. Kasi naman tayo dito? Exclusive naman sa atin tong listing na to. And sobrang tarik, guys, kung mapapansin nyo. Sabi nga namin pwede ba na akitin yung pinakataas doon? Pero guys, medyo madulas, no? Pero ang taas niyan. And specific this lot is actually 230 meters above sea level. So, ganun siya kataas. Imagine, kung ganito kataas yung starting point pa lang nung inyong bahay, tapos slope pa yung lote, magtatayo ka dyan ng master's bedroom mo, nakaharap dito sa mountain ridges. Sobrang ganda ng view. Very perfect for retirement. Okay? And this one has a lot area of 377 square meter, almost 400 square meter. So, hindi rin siya maliit, Hindi siya kagaya ng ibang lots natin na pinapakita na 150 or 300 square meter. This one, it's different. No? Malapit na siya almost to 400 to 500 square meter na lot size ng mga development. This one is 377 square meter and we are only selling for 40,000 pesos only per square meter. So, pumapatak lang siya ng almost 15 million pesos. Again, this one is 377 square meter, clean title, ready to build na. Perfect na perfect if you are someone who will be retiring in the next few years or next year or this year, you can start building your home right now dito sa Hillside Ridge. And specifically dito sa lot natin na available. Again, this lot is 377 square meter. To wrap it up, guys, we are only selling this for 40,000 pesos per square meter. Almost 15 million dito sa lote na to. And it is ready to build. Clean title, slope yung lot size niya, perfect for retirement, and you are exactly located sa isang exclusive na village just like this one, Alveo Development. Inside of the newest estate that what we call the Next New Valley, which is Southmont. So balik lang tayo, guys, sa ating clubhouse. And that's all for today's video, guys. I hope na-enjoy nyo yung ating quick video about Hillside Ridge and also about Southmont Estate. Again, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Southmont Estate It's what we call the next Nuvali. Imagine, it is a total of 12 residential estate and we are at 3rd residential pa lang na dinedevelop exactly dito sa Southmont. If isa ka sa mauunang makapwesto dito sa estate na to, imagine the property value in the future. But if you are someone looking for a retirement lot, perfect na perfect yung lot na pinakita ko. It's a slope, clean title, it's facing the mountain ridges, and imagine if slope yung lote mo, ganun kataas, sobrang ganda ng magiging view ng master's bedroom mo or di kaya ng sala mo, di ba, sa inyong bahay. And if you are interested about this property na pinakita ko sa inyo or all other developments around the area, you may message us on the numbers flash on the screen. It is 639-6960-20739. It has a Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage para sa ating mga kababayan abroad. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next one.